So first and foremost, let's start out with this cool find. These are coasters, okay? They are paper coasters from Target, Dollar Spot, $1. Because as y'all know, just because it's at the Dollar Spot don't mean it's $1. Sometimes it's $5 and under, but these were $1, and they are a set of 4. Now, as soon as I saw that they were coasters, I thought, this mama ain't using these for coasters. But look how cute they are. They got the scalloped edges, and they're like the hard paper. You know what they are. So we're going to use these today. I've got an R. I've had this for a while. It's not really backwards. It is just the camera. Don't be telling me it's backwards. And so we're going to paint this, obviously. And then I've got an embroidery hoop. This is one of the larger ones, okay? So we're going to make something fun. And then in the end, I got to be sure I want to do this. But I'm thinking about adding some pom-poms. But we're going to see what it looks like in the end. And then we'll go from there. But we may be adding some pom-poms to the R. We'll just see what we think. But we're going to start. We're just leaving this wooden and plain in all of its beauty. So I'm thinking that I want this R, because my last name's Riley, if y'all are wondering what the R is for, to be red. So I've got my Apple Barrel bright red paint. I've had this forever. It lasts so long, guys. Comes from Walmart. And I am going to paint it red real quick and then let it dry while we wait. Let it dry while we start on some of the rest. So we're just going to paint the front and the sides. We're not worried about the back because you will not see the back, okay? So look, that's going to be a really pretty red. Here's the red R. Looks perfect. Okay, so here's the embroidery hoop. We've got the R over here drying. It's going to go on this side. On this side of the embroidery hoop, we are going to use our 4th of July coasters that were $1 from Target Dollar Spot, okay? That's what we're doing. And what I'm going to do, because I think it's going to be cute in my head, is to take these coasters and kind of go like this down the side, okay? So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to hot glue these on the side. Then when my R gets dried, we're going to add it over here, and more than likely along the long side of the R, we're going to add some white pom-poms, or maybe red, white, and blue. I've got all of them. I've got this big old thing of pom-poms, so we can do whatever colors we want. Does that sound good? Do y'all think that's going to be cute? Because personally, I think it's going to be really cute, and you know, I'm liable to have a fail. It's going to happen one day, and I hope it's not today. But I'm just going to add some hot glue. I actually don't have my cordless glue gun with me today because it is in the car, because I took it in Talk of the Town yesterday and have not taken my stuff in the house yet. So it is in the car. Let me get this down where you can see my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we're getting started. I started with the blue stars. You cannot get to Target to get these coasters. Listen, use some scrapbook paper and make your own. Literally, they're so easy. So don't fret over it if you can't get these exact coasters, because you can easily, I just happened to find these and I was excited because I loved them, and they had scallops, and I'm all about me some scallops, but they can easily be made. Okay, let's add one more because I only have 4, so we're going to do 4. Ooh, made some loud, whoa. My glue gun's popping over here. I think it's because it's extra hot. And I'll go ahead and show y'all what it's looking like so far. This is what this side of it looks like. All I did was take my little coasters and glue them on. They're not perfect. This one's covered a little more than this one. Who cares? We don't care. No, we don't. And then the R is going on this side. It's going to cover up this little thing. Okay, that's what we're doing so far. And then we're going to add some pom-poms to the R. So y'all keep watching. Y'all got to see what this turns out like. And this is it, just in case you were wondering where the R came from. I mean, you can get these at any craft store. This one actually came from Walmart at some point in time. I always pick up random R's. It's not backwards. It's not backwards. It's just the video. So I'm going to hot glue this on here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put the glue directly onto the embroidery hoop. That way I don't put it on the R and it's in the wrong spot and then it doesn't even stick. I may or may not have done that a few times and know something about that. So I'm just going to let it sit for just a second before I pick it up, okay? And I think I might just add white, because white against red really pops. I got my popping glue guns and my popping pom-poms. This one actually hadn't been opened yet. They were $1 at Hobby Lobby, and I just like to keep this stuff on hand. So we're going to glue some glue guns. Oh my gosh. We're going to glue some pom-poms up the side of my R. Somebody said something about the glue gun popping sounds like a rap single. That's hilarious. Can y'all imagine if I had a rap single? What in the world that would be like? That would be the most hysterical thing. Because if you follow the boutique on Facebook, it's Re-Fabbed Boutique. The other day, not knowing that I was being videoed, I was rapping hardcore. And I was really getting with it. With Whoop There It Is, because that's my jam from back in the day. And she was videoing me and she shared it on our story over there. And even though I knew she did it afterwards, I didn't care, because I'm like, you know what, that's just real life. But it was hysterical. So I don't know if you saw it or not, but it's pretty funny. So I've got, you know, if this fails, I may try rapping in the future. So I'm just gluing these pom-pom balls on. It's kind of boring. Maybe for you. It's kind of fun for me. Jessica said, I love pom-poms a little too much. Me too. I've got so many pom-poms everywhere, it's not even funny. I've got some more projects coming up, of course, with pom-poms. Let me see what I think it looks like before I show y'all. Not that I'm not going to show y'all. Even if I don't like it, I will. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. And I think we need to add a pom-pom here and here. What do y'all think? Or just leave it red? I don't know. What do y'all think? I actually already have a pre-made bow. It's from the last Talk of the Town. Meryl made a bow on the live. She's the host of Talk of the Town. And so I actually have it. It was down there in my stash. So we could always use it. It's pretty cute. But what we need is like a bow. And like what I would hang this by, this is what I would do. I would take one of these pieces of like burlap ribbon, kind of long, and literally just kind of tie it like this and just let it hang. I wouldn't do a bow right here because it's too close. I should have actually brought this down some or these down some so that there wasn't this much space, but I didn't notice at the time that I was doing that I made it that high. So what I'm probably going to do is add like a little bow or something below it, because I just got to kind of make do. I can probably take this R, let me see, maybe I could take the R down a little. I bet I can take it off. I think I'm going to move the R down a little, okay? Haha. I just saw Vanessa say, good golly, it's okay to keep your comments to yourself. I don't know what people were saying. That's funny. I don't know. I'm just, it's fine. If people are saying stuff, just let them say it. It don't matter. I'm taking the R off to move it down a little bit though. That's the thing about live crafting. You see things and you're like, you know. I'm not painting the hoop. I wanted to leave it plain. So we talked about that at the beginning, that I'm just going to leave it plain because I like it. And I like, somebody said stars together and stripes together. I actually really like it mixed up like this. So that's literally, that's how I want to leave it. I actually really like it like that. I don't have a flag. That would be cute, but I don't have a flag with me. Okay, so let's get this where it's a little Okay. The thing about crafting, guys, it's not going to be perfect every time. And I'm going to promise you something right now. It's not going to be perfect while I'm here doing it live. And it's not going to be perfect if I'm not doing it live. I'm just on here sharing with you all. And it's not going to be like the most perfect project you've ever seen. It's just not. But we're just having fun, okay? And there definitely will be things that you would do different if it was your own. 100%. I'm just here to kind of inspire and have fun with you all and show you ideas, okay? When you make your own, do it exactly how you want. Okay, guys? Seriously. Do it exactly how you want. You want to add a flag? You add a flag. If you want to add extra ribbon, you add all the ribbon. You paint your embroidery hoop. You do all the things, okay? Seriously. You do it. You do it all. Okay, so I did move my R over, okay? Because I felt like it needed it. Now, obviously, when I hang it on the door, or if I did that, or wherever I hang it, I'd hang it right here, okay? Now, I'm thinking that I want to add a little bow, but I don't know if I need a little bow or not. I really don't know. I've never done this craft. I'm just on here with you all, just trying to do things just like y'all would, you know. And I don't know, because I've never done it before or seen what it would turn out like. So I think I'm going to make a little bow, possibly to go on my R, because I honestly feel like it needs just a little something. And I may even take one of the pom-poms off to do it at the top of the R. We'll just see what that looks like. So I've got this extra piece of blue and white, okay, because that's just left over. So I'm going to use that to bring out the blue from the other side. And then I have this that I got from the Dollar Tree. I don't even have my scissors here, dang it. Hey, Blaze. What? Will you get me some scissors, buddy? Because I didn't even think I was making a bow. It was a last minute decision. Just grab me those kitchen scissors, son. What? Right over there, baby. So now my son comes in and saves the day because I don't have scissors, because I didn't know I was making a bow. And we got the kitchen scissors. So we make things work around here, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm cutting this. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I told y'all that. This came from the Dollar Tree. Okay? And I'm going to use that. Okay, buddy. He's got a double header tonight, so we're going to go to that in a minute. I just wanted to get some crafting in. So I'm going to use this as my base. This is going to be my base, okay? I've got this left over. A little bit of rickrack. Don't y'all love rickrack? Did y'all know that I forgot it was called rickrack, and the other day I was calling it squiggly ribbon? So embarrassing. I got corrected by a wreath maker. I'm like, yep, you're right, and I'm wrong, and I'm calling it squiggly ribbon. That is so unprofessional. So I'm just down here pulling different pieces of ribbon that I've got to make a fun little bow. Hope this isn't boring y'all too much. So, okay, so now let's make the bow. Now, as you know, the way I make my bows, I crisscross 2 pieces of burlap first, just like this. This is just how I do my little easy bows, okay? And then, I'm just going to crisscross all my other ribbon too. Can y'all see this? Maybe not great, but I'm going to go ahead. I only have 1 piece of blue. So I'm going to put it across, and I'm going to put 2 pieces of the red across. And something I'm going to do this time that I don't typically do is I'm going to use this ribbon right here. It's like lace ribbon. I'm going to put it across as my thin ribbon that I always use to tie it, okay? So we got it crisscrossed. Now we're just going to tie it super tight in the middle. That's what makes it into a bow. Brings it all together and pulls it into a really cute little bow. And then we just kind of, you know, mess with it. Make it cute. This is what it looks like when you're done. Just a fun little bow. Okay? You can cut it off and stuff so it's not too crazy if you want to. I might trim it just a tad. Kitchen scissors are not ideal, but when you did not have scissors and your son comes in, he saves the day. So there you go. So here's my little bow, my little fast and easy bow that I just now threw together. It's cute. And here's what I'm thinking I'm going to do with it. I'm thinking I want it at the top of my R, okay? Just to add in some extra blue. So that's what I'm going to do. This is not meant to be a real over-the-top wreath, okay? This is nothing like the wreaths that like Damon and them do, and Scott and Tammy and Betty and all them. They make awesome wreaths, but I make little fun wreaths like this, okay? So please just understand and be easy on me, okay? It's just for fun. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hot glue, because I'm just gonna glue this bow on and just hope that it looks cute. I went ahead and took one of my pom-poms off the top so that I could glue my bow on. So let me get it to stay. Okay, so here we are. I added this to my R, and I think that's really cute, personally. I do. If you wanted to add something down here, you could. If you wanted to change some things around, you could. But it's just a very, very simple, very fun wreath. Nothing major. But here's our coasters that we used that were $1, a set of 4 for $1 at Target Dollar Spot. Just a fun little R that we painted red and added some pom-poms down the side just so that it would show up good. No, it's not Christmas. And then just added a fun little bow to the top, because everything needs a bow. Everything's better with a bow. So, and then we just took some ribbon and tied it to the top so we can like tie it to a door or wherever we want to. So there we go. I think it really did a lot to it when we added the bow. I had no intentions of making a bow. Like, that's not something I thought was going to go on this wreath. But as you're working through a craft, you start, I got a pom-pom hanging. You start to realize that sometimes things aren't going exactly what you wanted or exactly how you had planned, and you literally go with the flow and change things up. That's just part of it. So that's the fun part about crafting, and the even more fun part about crafting live, because you don't ever know what you're gonna get. I mean, when you're live, anything can happen, seriously, okay? And that's what's fun about it. So here it is. Turned out pretty cute. I'm gonna add this to my patriotic decor collection that I've been making lately. I made the scrap wood firecrackers, which I'm in love with. They turned out great. The ribbon flag, this. I've got some more things that I'm wanting to do, and I'm gonna have a really cute fireplace next year when I'm in my house. I have a really cute fireplace, and I can't wait to decorate it with all these patriotic fun things that I've been making. So, and by the way, this is one of my logo shirts that's available. I just kind of was seeing it. This one comes in 5 colors, and so do the other 2. One says flying by the seat of my pants, because I say that all the time. And another one says unique, blessed, and refabbed obsessed. They all come in 5 colors, and they go from a small to a 3X. They are on the store. You're welcome to grab one if you didn't get one in the pre-order. I wanted to mention that. So, thank y'all for watching, guys. It's been super fun to be back. I talked way longer than I usually do. I think it's because I'm just like so happy to be back and be crafting and like having fun. I will post the link for the shirts. I saw a bunch of people asking for that. I will post the link in here, but you can go to the store, refabbedboutique.com, R-E-Fabbed. Y'all know how to spell refab, but there is a hyphen. Boutique.com. You can also type in refabbedstore.com and it'll take you to the same place, and you can see the Re-Fabbed exclusive tees on here. But this is what they look like on. This is just the gray one. There's 5 colors in all styles, go from small to 3X. So y'all have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.